Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone looking to start investing: how to choose the right stock market broker app. With so many options available, it's essential to understand what factors to consider to ensure you're making the best choice for your financial goals. Whether you're just starting out or you've been investing for a while, finding the right broker app can make a world of difference in your investing journey. It's kind of like choosing the right car. You want something that's reliable, affordable, and meets your specific needs. So let's break down the steps on how to choose the right stockbroker app for you. Before we start looking at broker apps, ask yourself, what do I need in a broker? Fancy features don't matter if they don't align with your goals. Are you in it for the long haul, seeking steady growth? Or are you into active trading, capitalizing on market fluctuations? Understand your investment style to narrow down options. Consider your experience level. Are you a beginner or a seasoned pro? Some apps are for beginners with simple interfaces. Others offer advanced tools for experienced investors. Understand your needs to choose the right broker app. Let's be real, one of the biggest factors that can eat into your investment returns is fees. Every time you buy or sell a stock, there's a good chance you're paying a commission to your broker. And over time, those fees can really add up. First and foremost, look at the trading fees. What's the commission charged for each trade? Some brokers charge a flat fee per trade, while others charge a percentage of the trade amount. And some brokers, especially newer ones, offer commission-free trading on certain types of assets, like stocks or ETFs. This can be a huge advantage, especially if you're a frequent trader. Also, check for account maintenance fees. Some brokers charge an annual or monthly fee just for having an account, regardless of whether you're actively trading or not. And don't forget about other potential charges. Some brokers charge fees for things like inactivity, paper statements, or transferring funds. It's important to read the fine print and understand all of the potential fees you might be charged before you sign up for an account. By choosing a broker app with low or no fees, you get to keep more of your hard-earned money working for you. You wouldn't go to a shoe store if you were looking for a new hat, right? The same logic applies when choosing a stockbroker app. Make sure the app offers the investments you're interested in. If you want more than basics, dig deeper. Ensure the broker app fits your investment needs. Chapter 4: User Interface and Ease of Use. Imagine trying to drive a car with a confusing dashboard, a sticky steering wheel, and pedals in all the wrong places. Sounds frustrating, right? Well, that's what it can be like using a poorly designed broker app. A clunky and confusing interface can make it a nightmare to navigate the app, place trades, and manage your investments. That's why it's so important to choose a broker app with a clean, intuitive, and user-friendly interface. You want an app that's easy on the eyes, easy to navigate, and makes it simple to find the information you need when you need it. One of the first things to look for is a well-organized dashboard. Your dashboard is like the home screen of your broker app, and it should give you a clear overview of your portfolio, including your account balance, holdings, and recent activity. Next, pay attention to the navigation. Can you easily find the features and tools you need? Is it easy to switch between different sections of the app, like your watch list, your portfolio, and the research section? Choose an app with a user-friendly interface that makes investing simple and enjoyable. Chapter 5: Knowledge is power, research, and education. Imagine trying to build a house without any tools or blueprints. It would be pretty difficult, right? Well, investing without proper research and education can feel just as daunting. That's why it's crucial to choose a broker app that provides you with the resources you need to make informed investment decisions. A good broker app should be more than just a platform for placing trades. It should be your go-to resource for market news, analysis, and educational content. First and foremost, look for an app that provides access to high-quality market news from reputable sources. You want to stay up to date on the latest market trends, economic indicators, and company-specific news that could impact your investments. Next, see if the app offers research reports and analysis from industry experts. These reports can provide valuable insights into specific companies, industries, or market sectors, helping you make more informed investment decisions. And don't underestimate the importance of educational content. Many broker apps offer webinars, tutorials, and articles on a variety of investing topics. Choose a broker app that empowers you with the research and educational resources you need to make smart, informed decisions. Chapter 6. Security and Account Protection. You wouldn't leave your front door unlocked at night, would you? So why trust your money to a broker app with lax security? Security should be a top priority. Ensure the app uses strong encryption. Check if the broker is regulated. In the US, look for SEC and FINRA regulation. Pay attention to the app's security features. Does it offer two-factor authentication? A good app should have multiple layers of security. Chapter 7. Customer Support, because things happen. We all know the feeling. You're in the middle of placing a trade and suddenly, something goes wrong. Maybe the app crashes, maybe you get a cryptic error message, or maybe you just have a question about your account. Whatever the issue, you need help, and you need it now. That's where good customer support comes in. Before you commit to a broker app, take some time to assess the quality of their customer support. A good broker app should offer multiple channels of support, such as phone, email, and live chat. They should also have a comprehensive FAQ section that answers common questions. When evaluating customer support, consider the following. Availability. What are the customer support hours? Are they available 24/7 or only during limited business hours? Responsiveness. How quickly do they respond to inquiries? Ideally, you want a broker that responds to emails and phone calls promptly, preferably within 24 hours or less. Chapter 8. Don't forget about mobile. In today's fast-paced world, we're all glued to our phones. A powerful and reliable mobile app is essential for investing. You never know when opportunity might knock. Look for key features like order types, portfolio tracking, and account management. This gives you control and helps manage risk. Track your investments on the go with real-time quotes and charts. Manage account settings, deposit funds, and set up alerts. Choose a user-friendly app for confident and convenient trading. Outro. Make the right choice for you. Choosing the right stock market broker app involves careful consideration of your personal needs, the app's fees and features, security measures, and the quality of customer support. Don't rush the process. Take your time, do your research, and compare different options before making a decision. Remember, the best broker app for you might not be the best one for your friend, your neighbor, or that guy on YouTube with millions of subscribers. It all comes down to your individual needs and investment goals. By taking the time to find a broker app that aligns with your needs, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals.